What's up, you guys? This is my 2020 fireworks stash. You guys can pause the video if you guys want to see the the flyer. Pretty good prices. Alright, let's check what I got. Alright, I don't know if these two are good, but I got them. Take a Hit, Flower Pot Kids. I got 3 of the Centennial Fountain. I got 3 of them. I got Killer Bees. I got Snakes. I got like 5 of Smoke Bombs, 2 packs of Piccolo Pete's, a bunch of Crackling Balls. I taped the fuse to some Crackling Bombs. More Crackling Bombs. I got 4 packs of Bloom Flowers. I got the Crackling Bloom Flowers too. I got Cool Breeze. I got 2 of those. Some Sparklers. Some Magic Whips. I got 2. And Crackling Firecrackle. I got a bunch of those. Poppets. I just love grabbing a bunch and just throwing them up in the air. I got TNT Torch. Seems pretty cool. Toxic Barrel. Good versus Evil. Some Saturn Missiles. Some Roman Candles. And this is the big stuff right here. I got Jungle Flower. Seems pretty big. And then for the big boy at the end, I'll show you guys. I got the Centennial Fountain extra large. It seems pretty cool. So that's my TNT stash of 2020. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later when I light some of the fireworks tomorrow.